In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix download pending on Google Play. If your apps are stuck showing download pending and nothing seems to move, don't worry. This is usually caused by a queued update, a network setting, or temporary Play Store data that needs to be refreshed. We'll go through several simple fixes you can try one by one. First, open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon. Go to Manage Apps and Device, then look for any updates or downloads that are already waiting in line. If several apps are trying to update at the same time, that can block the app you actually want to install. Cancel the active downloads or updates, then try downloading your app again. Next, check your download preferences in the Play Store. Tap your profile icon, open Settings, then go to Network Preferences and App Download Preference. Set this to over any network. This allows Google Play to download apps whether you're on Wi-Fi or mobile data, which can help if the current connection rule is preventing the download from starting. If the issue continues, clear the Google Play Store's cache and data. Go to your phone's Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store, open Storage and Cache, and tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. This resets temporary files that may be causing the Play Store to get stuck. After that, reopen the Play Store and check the download again. You should also do the same for Google Play Services. Go to Settings, Apps, and then Google Play Services. Open Storage, then clear its cache and data as well. Since Play Services helps the Play Store function correctly in the background, refreshing it can often solve download issues. Another fix is to remove and re-add your Google account. Go to Settings, then Accounts, remove your Google account, restart your phone, and then sign back in. This can refresh account syncing and fix problems connected to app downloads. Just make sure you remember your login details before removing the account. Now let's refresh your network connection. Turn on airplane mode for about 5 seconds, then turn it back off. You can also switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or the other way around. This helps force a clean connection and can resolve network-related download delays. Finally, restart your phone completely. Power it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. A full restart can clear temporary glitches that interfere with the Play Store. After each fix, go back to Google Play and test the download again. One of these steps will usually solve the problem. Thanks for watching.